Good morning. We did seem to have a high amount of winds yesterday and last night. And you would think that if the wind was strong enough to tear Marduk's head off, that would carry it across the lawn. However, I did find this stick none too far away from Marduk, and I distinctly remember storing this in my garage. So I do believe my dear old brother has been expressing his jealousy again about how I am fulfilling my dreams, and he is not. So, it looks like I'm going to have to do a repair job on Marduk's head, and pretty much just keep repairing Marduk whenever my brother has a fit of jealousy and decides to break it. What fun! So, that's why there's not going to be a video about stuff, because, well, I'm fixing this. So, if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.